To my channel Crypto Silent. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Cartoon Tokens. I will share all their detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos. First of all, you can see its Demon token pre-sale start on Pink Sale. You can see it here, you can easily be able to buy it. It's a world first token character based on meme token series. So Cartoon Token started from Singapore, specialized in developing and launching crypto token inspired by beloved Cartoon Network, and their mission is to make the world cartoons and blockchain together, creating a unique and engaging experience for their fans. So you can see it here, you can play smart and earn big. Here you can see your 10% of every deposit will go exclusively bonus 10% Domain token. So you can get every deposit on your every deposit 10% of Domain token. You will get that. You can even play now. Demon Magic Pocket is given here. As you can know about the Doraemon Pocket, and its pocket is also given. You can create your own Magic Pocket. Here click on this pocket option. You can see Demon pre-sale sales schedule is started on 5th Feb and even started. You can see the total supply is 600 billion, where you can see its price is 0.0001, 10% to 30 billion, 60 days. So now you can see for a second pre-sale they will go for the 0.0002, means 0.0002, 20% to 60 billion. You can see 30 days, and in third you can see its price is 0.0003, 30% to 90 billion, 20 days, and in fourth you can see its price will goes up. The more you are able to buy it now at the lowest price, in the future price will goes up and you can make more money on it too. So they have also the Augie pre-sale schedule, as you know about the Augie cartoon, and sales start on 5th May 2025. So there is a chance to join that. You can see their total supply is 660 billion, from where in first pre-sale their price will be 0.00001. It's too low, so you can easily be able to buy 10% from 33 billion. You can see 40 days, and the pre-sale number 2 will go for the 20%, 66 billion, 30 days, and in pre-sale 3 and 4 you can buy at pre-sale 1 and you can be able to sell at pre-sale number 4 or after that, so that you can easily be able to make money on it too. So you can see it is Sichin pre-sale schedule. It's an also a cartoon character. You can see its sale will start on the 5th August 25. You can also join that, and their price is increased, as you can see. And you can see in fourth pre-sale you can see its price will goes up and you can easily be able to make money here. The total supply 660 is 6 billion, and in pre-sale they will use 333 billion. So you can see all that is given. So if I go after the C-chain, you can see Tom and Jerry pre-sale schedule on 5th November of 2025. Total supply is 666.6 billion, and their pre-sale is 333.3 billion rupees. So you can see it here in dollars. 0.0009, 10%, 3.333 B, and for 40 days. For 30 days, their price will be 0.0010, 20%, and for next 20 days, their price will be 0.0011, 30%. For 20 days, you can see all the details from here. The roadmap of Cartoon Token series is given in Q1 2024. They will establish company and develop business plan. In Q2 of 2024. They will design and develop initial token series. In Q4, they will go for the launch platform and initiate a token. In Q5, they will expand token series. You can see it here, and in Q1 of 2025, they will go for token name Demon. Their supply will be 600 billion, and the pre-sale start on 5th Feb. So you can see it here. In 25 Q2 they will go for the token name Augie. So its supply will be 660 billion, and in Q3 2025 they will go for the Seachin. Q4 Tom and Jerry, and you can see more above coming on. Tokenomics is given for Demon token. The pre-sale will be 50%, burn will be 10%, locking is 10%, reward 8%, staking 5%, marketing 5%, developer, and total supply will be 600 billion. In Augie token, its supply will be 660 billion. From that, 50% will go for the pre-sale, and the burn is 10%, locking 10%, reward 8%, staking 5%, marketing 5%, founder 5%, charity is 2%. You can see it here. The next is Session, where total supply is 666 billion, and in Tom and Jerry the total supply is 666.6 billion, and all in both the pre-sale will be 50% burn, 10% lock-in, 10% for both. Reward will be same here. In you will get 8% in Sachin token, and Tom and Jerry also you get 8%. Staking in 5%, all are same founder developer 5%, charity will be 2% for both of these token. You can buy it by, you can have to create your wallet, and after that you can buy cartoon tokens, connect and phrase. You can see about tokens are given, token series are given, their content marketing, digital collaborative collectibles and community building, token sales, demographic, transaction fees, everything is showing here. Charge a very small transaction fee for buying, selling and trading tokens. You can see the partnership feature and FAQs are given here. You can see all that details here. I shared all the detail about that. So here the demon pre-sale which is given, you can see next Augie pre-sale, Seasons pre-sale and Tom and Jerry. You can see that all the details given. Its decimal is 18, their name is demon, also the symbol, all the detail is given. So you can join that pre-sales here, and it is ended now, but you can join the next Augie pre-sale here and you can easily be able to make money on it. So I share all the details. You can also see their white paper audit and all that. So you can also join them on Twitter, Telegram, so that you can easily be a part of their community and you can easily be able to make money on it. I share all the details, and this video is for the information. Do your own research before investment. It is not a financial advice. So if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.